ISO and engineering standard implementation in the semiconductor industry, a complete guide for excellence, compliance, and growth. Hello, everyone. As the semiconductor industry accelerates into a new era powered by AI, EVs, IoT, and high performance computing, the expectation from fabrication plants, ATMP facilities, and supply chain partners are rapidly evolving. Today, it is no longer enough to simply produce advanced chips. Organizations must demonstrate precision, repeatability, compliance, and resilience at a global level. This is where ISO standard implementation, engineering best practices, and structured training programs become critical pillars of success. Pillars of success. Let us go deeper into how organizations can effectively implement these standards and build a future-ready semiconductor ecosystem. First, ISO standard implementation from certification to transformation. Implementing ISO standards in semiconductor environments requires a structured, multi-phase approach, not just documentation. Gap analysis and readiness assessment. The journey begins with a detailed evaluation of existing processes across wafer fabrication, assembly, testing, marking, and packaging. Supply, supplier quality systems, clean room operations. This identifies gaps against standards like ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 27001, and IATF 16949. Now next is process mapping and SOP standardization. Every critical process from lithography to final testing is mapped and standardized. Process flow diagrams, PFDs, control plans, standard operating procedures, SOPs, failure mode and effective analysis. Now documentation and digital integration. Robust documentation ensures traceability and audit readiness. Quality manuals, environmental and safety policies, risk registers, digital QMS oblique EMS platforms integration. Then next is implementation and change management. This is where transformation happens. Embedding quality checkpoints, establishing KPI driven monitoring systems, driving cross-functional alignment. Then next, internal audits and certification support. Pre-certification audits, compliance validation, support during external certification audits. Then next is specialized training programs for semiconductor workforce. Training is the backbone of successful implementation. Now, first technical and operational training. Clean room protocols and contamination control, equipment calibration and maintenance standards, statistical process control (SPC), advanced product quality planning (APQP). Then ISO and compliance training, ISO 9001, 14001, 45001, 27001 awareness. IATF 16949 core tools, PPAP, MSA, SPC, FFEA, internal audit, auditor certification programs. EHS and sustainability training are like hazardous material handling, waste reduction and recycling systems, energy efficient and carbon footprint management, cyber security and data protection, IP protection protocols like secure data handling practices, risk mitigation strategies. Then next is leadership and management training, lean manufacturing principles, Six Sigma methodologies, risk-based thinking and decision making, operational excellence frameworks. Then supply chain standardization and vendor development. The semiconductor supply chain is a highly global and interdependent. Supplier qualification audits. So here we have vendor evaluation frameworks, quality and process audits, ESG compliance checks. Similarly, standard alignment across tiers, ensuring suppliers align with ISO and IATF standards, traceability and documentation requirements, performance benchmarks. Then next is risk management and continuity planning. So here we have supply chain risk assessments, multi-resourcing strategies, business continuity planning (BCP). Then we have digital supply chain integration. So here ERP and MES system alignment, real-time monitoring and analytics, predictive quality systems. Then next is engineering consultancy and standard implementation. So beyond ISO, semiconductor companies need deep engineering expertise to standardize complex operations, process engineering excellence, yield improvement strategies, process optimization and validation, equipment lifecycle management. Next is manufacturing engineering standards, lean factory design, automation and industry 4.0 integration, smart manufacturing systems. Okay. Then next is quality engineering systems, zero defect manufacturing strategies, root cause analysis (RCA), controls improvement frameworks (Kaizen). Then next is reliability and testing engineering, burn-in testing protocols, failure analysis lab setups, reliability qualification standards. Then next is management consultancy for strategic growth. To complete globally, semiconductor films must align operations with long-term strategy, ESG and sustainability consulting, carbon neutrality roadmaps, water and energy optimization, sustainable sourcing strategies. Then next is operational excellence and cost optimization, lean transformation, waste reduction initiatives, productivity enhancement programs. Then regulatory and global market compliance, export compliance, international certification readiness, customer specific requirements. Then digital transformation strategy, smart factories, AI driven quality systems, data analytics for decision making. Now the bigger vision. The semiconductor ecosystem is no longer linear. It is deeply interconnected, data-driven, and globally distributed. From chip design to fabrication to final packaging and delivery, standardization ensures seamless collaboration across borders. Organizations that invest in ISO implementation, workforce training, engineering standardization, supply chain alignment will not only meet today's demands but lead tomorrow's innovation. Connect with us. If you are looking to implement ISO standards, enhance engineering systems, or build a globally competitive semiconductor operation, we are here to support you end to end. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. Let us work together to build a semiconductor ecosystem that is precise, resilient, compliant, and future ready. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.